Every day, thousands of Kenyan farmers harvest fresh vegetables, fruits, milk, fish, and other perishable products. Unfortunately, a large percentage of these products never reach consumers because they spoil before they can be sold. Farmers work hard, invest money in seeds, fertilizers, labor, and transport, only to lose part of their harvest due to poor storage. This challenge has existed for many years and continues to affect incomes across the country. At the same time, it has created a major business opportunity for entrepreneurs who are willing to invest in mobile cold storage services. A mobile cold storage business involves providing refrigerated storage facilities that can be moved closer to farmers, traders, wholesalers, and markets. Instead of forcing customers to transport their produce to distant cold rooms, the cold storage solution comes directly to them. This can be done using refrigerated trucks, refrigerated vans, portable cold rooms, converted shipping containers, or solar-powered cold storage units mounted on trailers. The goal is simple: keep products fresh for longer, reduce spoilage, and help customers earn more money from their produce. The demand for cold storage in Kenya continues to grow because agriculture remains one of the country's largest economic sectors. Millions of people depend on farming either directly or indirectly. As urban populations increase and consumers demand fresh food throughout the year, the need for reliable cold chain solutions becomes even more important. Supermarkets, hotels, restaurants, exporters, processors, and wholesalers all require products that meet high-quality standards. Farmers who can preserve freshness gain access to better markets and higher prices. One of the biggest advantages of mobile cold storage is flexibility. Traditional cold rooms are fixed in one location. A mobile unit can serve multiple markets, farming zones, and customer groups. An entrepreneur can move the unit to areas where demand is highest during different seasons. For example, during avocado harvesting periods, the unit can operate in major avocado growing regions. During tomato harvest seasons, it can be positioned near tomato-producing areas. This flexibility allows the business owner to maximize utilization and revenue throughout the year. The first step in starting this business is understanding the market. Many entrepreneurs rush to purchase equipment before studying customer needs. Successful business owners begin by identifying who will pay for cold storage services. Farmers are obvious customers, but they are not the only ones. Traders who buy produce from farmers often need temporary storage. Market vendors require refrigeration to reduce spoilage. Fish traders need cold environments to preserve freshness. Dairy businesses require cooling facilities for milk. Restaurants and hotels may need temporary cold storage during busy periods. Exporters also require reliable cold chain solutions before shipping products to international markets. Market research does not have to be complicated. An entrepreneur can visit local markets and speak directly with traders. Questions should focus on current losses, storage challenges, and willingness to pay for cold storage services. The answers often reveal important opportunities. Many traders lose products every week and would gladly pay a reasonable fee if it helps them reduce losses and increase profits. Understanding these needs helps shape the business model and pricing strategy. Location plays a critical role in success. The best locations are areas with high agricultural production and significant trading activity. Counties such as Nyamira, Kisii, Meru, Kirinyaga, Nakuru, Nyandarua, Uasin Gishu, and Homa Bay produce large volumes of agricultural products throughout the year. Major urban markets also offer strong opportunities because traders constantly need fresh products. Positioning a mobile cold storage unit where produce volumes are high increases the chances of maintaining consistent demand. Choosing the right equipment is another important decision. Entrepreneurs have several options depending on their budget and target market. A refrigerated van may be suitable for smaller operations that focus on transportation and temporary storage. Portable cold rooms mounted on trailers provide greater storage capacity while maintaining mobility. Converted shipping containers can serve larger customer groups and offer significant storage space. Solar-powered systems are becoming increasingly popular because they reduce electricity costs and allow operations in areas with unreliable power supplies. The cost of starting a mobile cold storage business varies widely depending on the equipment selected. A small portable cold room may require several 100,000 Kenyan shillings. Larger solar-powered systems can cost more than 1 million Kenyan shillings. Refrigerated vehicles often require substantial investment, but provide transportation and storage capabilities in a single unit. Entrepreneurs should carefully compare different options and select equipment that matches their business goals and available capital. Financing is often one of the biggest challenges for new entrepreneurs. Fortunately, several options exist. Personal savings remain the simplest source of funding. Some entrepreneurs form partnerships to combine resources and reduce individual financial burdens. Financial institutions may offer loans for agricultural and logistics businesses. Certain development organizations and agricultural programs also support investments that reduce post-harvest losses. Before seeking financing, it is important to prepare a detailed business plan showing expected costs, revenues, and profitability. A strong business plan demonstrates that the entrepreneur understands the market and has realistic expectations. The plan should include equipment costs, operational expenses, staffing requirements, marketing activities, projected revenues, and risk management strategies. Investors and lenders are more likely to provide funding when they see a well-prepared plan backed by thorough research. Once equipment has been acquired, attention should shift to operations. Temperature management is critical because different products require different storage conditions. Leafy vegetables often require cooler temperatures than some fruits. Fish and meat products require stricter temperature control than many agricultural products. Understanding these requirements helps maintain quality and prevent spoilage. Modern monitoring systems allow operators to track temperatures continuously and respond quickly to any issues. Maintenance should never be ignored. Refrigeration systems operate under demanding conditions and require regular servicing. Preventive maintenance reduces the risk of breakdowns that could result in product losses and customer dissatisfaction. Business owners should establish maintenance schedules and maintain relationships with qualified technicians. Investing in maintenance often saves significant money over time by preventing expensive repairs and downtime. Staffing requirements depend on the size of the operation. Small businesses may begin with only the owner and one assistant. Larger operations may require drivers, technicians, customer service personnel, and administrative staff. Employees should receive training on handling perishable products, maintaining cleanliness, monitoring temperatures, and interacting professionally with customers. Good customer service helps build trust and encourages repeat business. Pricing is one of the most important aspects of profitability. Charging too little may attract customers, but make it difficult to cover costs. Charging too much may discourage potential clients. Many operators charge storage fees based on crate numbers, weight, or storage duration. Some customers prefer daily rates, while others prefer weekly or monthly arrangements. Subscription packages can create predictable revenue and encourage long-term customer relationships. For example, a trader storing produce regularly may prefer paying a monthly fee rather than daily charges. This arrangement benefits both parties. The customer gains predictable costs, while the business owner enjoys more stable income. Over time, recurring customers often become the foundation of a successful cold storage operation. Marketing should begin before the business officially launches. Potential customers need to know that the service exists and understand its benefits. Demonstrations can be particularly effective because many people underestimate the value of proper cold storage until they see the difference themselves. Showing how vegetables remain fresh for longer periods can quickly convince traders and farmers of the service's value. Word-of-mouth marketing remains powerful in Kenya, especially in agricultural communities. Satisfied customers often recommend useful services to friends, family members, and fellow traders. Encouraging referrals can help the business grow without significant advertising expenses. At the same time, digital marketing provides additional opportunities. Social media platforms allow entrepreneurs to showcase success stories, customer testimonials, and educational content about reducing post-harvest losses. Partnerships can accelerate growth significantly. Farmer cooperatives, agricultural groups, exporters, processors, and wholesalers often require reliable cold chain solutions. Building relationships with these organizations can generate large volumes of business. Instead of serving individual customers one at a time, partnerships can provide access to entire networks of farmers and traders. Technology is also transforming the cold storage industry. Modern systems can include remote temperature monitoring, mobile payment integration, inventory tracking, and customer management software. These tools improve efficiency and provide valuable data for decision-making. While advanced technology may require additional investment, It can create competitive advantages and improve customer satisfaction. Every business faces risks, and mobile cold storage is no exception. Equipment failures, fuel price increases, power interruptions, and seasonal demand fluctuations can affect profitability. Successful entrepreneurs prepare for these challenges by maintaining backup systems, diversifying customer bases, and building financial reserves. Insurance may also provide protection against certain risks and should be considered as part of a comprehensive risk management strategy. Environmental sustainability is becoming increasingly important in modern agriculture. Solar-powered cold storage solutions offer significant advantages by reducing dependence on conventional energy sources. They can lower operating costs while appealing to environmentally conscious customers and organizations. As solar technology continues to improve, it is likely to play an even larger role in Kenya's cold chain industry. The financial potential of a mobile cold storage business can be substantial when managed effectively. Revenue comes from storage fees, transportation services, subscription packages, and long-term contracts. As customer numbers grow, entrepreneurs may expand by adding additional units, serving new regions, or offering complementary services such as produce aggregation, packaging, and logistics management. Each expansion creates opportunities for increased income and market influence. One of the most exciting aspects of this business is its ability to create value for multiple stakeholders. Farmers benefit from reduced losses and higher incomes. Traders gain flexibility and improved product quality. Consumers enjoy fresher food. The entrepreneur earns profits while addressing a significant economic challenge. Few businesses offer such a strong combination of financial opportunity and positive social impact. Kenya's agricultural sector is expected to remain a major driver of economic activity for many years. Population growth, urbanization, expanding supermarket networks, and increasing export demand all support the need for stronger cold chain infrastructure. Entrepreneurs who enter the mobile cold storage industry today position themselves within a sector that is likely to experience continued growth and innovation. Starting a profitable mobile cold storage business requires planning, investment, and commitment, but the rewards can be significant. By understanding customer needs, selecting the right equipment, maintaining high operational standards, and building strong partnerships, entrepreneurs can create sustainable businesses that generate income while reducing food waste across Kenya. As the country continues to modernize its agricultural value chains, mobile cold storage will remain an essential service that connects farmers, traders, and consumers more efficiently than ever before. /span/p/body